The book, Fossils, the true book, nonfiction informative book. Chapter 5, Learning from Fossils. You might be surprised at how much we can learn from fossils. More than just dusty bones, fossils are the keys to our planet's history. Fossils can tell us what animals, plants lived on Earth, when they lived, and many other things. They can tell us what Earth's geography and climate were like millions of years ago. They can even give us clues to the behavior of our human ancestors. The Carboniferous period lasted from about 359 to 299 million years ago. Carboniferous period. That looks pretty green and pretty wet, don't you think?
It just looks like a normal jungle.
The stories bones tell. The size of fossilized bones, of course, is a clue to the size of the animal. The size of a skull can give an idea of how large the animal's brain was. The size and shape of the teeth tell us if it ate plants or other animals. Footprints can help us estimate how heavy the animal was and whether it walked on all fours. Footprints also tell us whether it traveled alone or in groups. The large curved front teeth of the saber-toothed cat indicate that it hunted other animals for food and ate them. Right here, there's like a molar. And the curved front teeth is for meat. It's for ripping meat apart. If you can imagine that. It's sort of violent. It can be easy to spot layers of sedimentary rock. Every layer has a different what? Has a different color. You see that?
Yeah.
Every layer is a little bit different. Knowing what lived when. Imagine that you could slice through sedimentary rock from top to bottom and look at the layers within. Fossils near the bottom are the oldest. Those on the upper layers are animals and plants that developed more recently. This is how paleontologists know that fish developed before reptiles and reptiles before mammals. Scientists can tell when an animal became extinct by seeing where its fossils are no longer found in the rock layers. This fern fossil was found on Alexander Island in Antarctica. Geography and climate. Fossils can tell us what Earth was like long ago. The discovery of a fossilized fish on land shows that the area was once underwater. Finding similar fossils of land-dwelling organisms on two separate continents is a sign that those continents were once connected. Did you know that fossils of ferns and other warm-weathered plants have been found in Greenland and Antarctica? This means that these icy regions were much warmer millions of years ago. Our human ancestors. Certain animal fossils can even tell us about early humans. Scientists in Washington State recently made an exciting discovery. They found a mastodon rib with a spear point of sharpened bone lodged in it. The scientists determined the fossil is 14,000 years old. It is evidence that mastodons lived in the area during that time. It also shows that early humans made hunting tools out of bone. Who would believe that a fossil could tell us so much? Early humans worked together to hunt mastodons and other large animals. Mastodons, big old elephant-looking things. All right, true statistics. Let's read some. True statistic. Length from nose to tail of the Argentinosaurus, possibly the largest dinosaur that ever lived, was 100 feet. Length of the Pervicursor, one of the smallest dinosaurs, 15 inches. Number of sharp pointed teeth in the mouth of a Tyrannosaurus rex, about 50. Age of Odromesus murphy and Oraptor lunasis, the oldest dinosaurs ever found, 230 million years. The number of years that cockroaches have lived on the earth, 350 million years. Percentage of species that have ever lived on earth that are alive today, less than 0.1%. Width of the antlers of the Irish elk extinct for nearly 4,000 years, 12 feet. Antlers that are 12 feet long, 2 Senior Dawsons long.
Wow.
Scientists can learn about all the world's extinct animals by studying fossils. Dinosaurs have been extinct for more than 60 million years before humans first developed. And that, my friends, along with the glossary and all the important words that you can pause and read, and the index, all the important...
Every day. Read every day.
And here's the author. What? What'd you say? All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen. See you next time. And we are on to our next book, as always.